Hi, I'm Brittany, this is Brandy, and we are beauty brand ambassadors here at La Daisy. Let's talk about one of the latest trends, the dewy look. I am so glad that this look is back in because it really gives you a more youthful appearance and is also great for the summertime when you're more prone to perspire. One of the first steps to achieving a great dewy look is going to be this Belly Beauty Healthy Glow Facial Hydrator. This contains vitamin C, grapeseed, and chamomile, which is really going to moisturize and illuminate your skin. I love this one in particular because it's OBGYN approved and also dermatologist approved. I'm going to apply a little bit in my hand. Apply a quarter size amount in your hands and apply to the skin. After her face is moisturized, we're going to use the Pure 4-in-1 Tinted Moisturizer. This is great because it's going to cover any uneven skin tones or dark spots while still letting your skin shine through. I'm going to apply a small amount to a foundation brush and put on her face. A highlighter is the most important step to a dewy finish. I'm going to be using this Jane Iredale in the color Comfort. It is the perfect color for sun-kissed cheeks. You're going to apply this directly onto the cheeks. Then use your fingers to blend in. All of these products really give you that perfect, no makeup, beautiful summer glow. So it only took me these 3 products, the Belly Beauty Healthy Glow Facial Hydrator, the Pure 4-in-1 Tinted Moisturizer, and the Jane Iredale Highlighter in the color Comfort to create this beautiful, natural summertime look.